The guys from Telmex are here. Thank God. He called me and he said, 107 Morelos? And I said, yeah. And Dwight Burdick, yeah. I said, what company are you with? And he hung up. Never answered me. And they show up, they're Telmex. I said, Jesus, 3 weeks without internet. And he kind of looked at me and shrugged. They don't do the scheduling, I understand that. But they came here, they looked up at that pole, look at that spaghetti nest that's up there. God. And then they walked way down the street, down by that yellow house, and came back, and I tried to get them while they were up the ladder, up the pole here, but of course the camera wanted to look at me. Why wouldn't you? And then it wanted to take a photo. Why wouldn't you? Instead of doing a video. Anyway, they're here. And he came back and he said, very difficult. I said, what's difficult? And he said, there's a problem down the street. So I don't know what's going on. So I hope they can fix it today. We'll see. But a sign of hope, a sign of life down there. Time after time after time, little Cindy has gone in there and kind of almost begged them to come here, and nothing. So I got my fingers crossed, see that they get this fixed today. Because I'm so glad I can use the neighbor's Wi-Fi, but it's no substitute for my high-speed fiber optic internet. It's not, and it disconnects when you least want it to because it's a little too far away. And anyway, so they came in, they looked at the router, and I don't think that's a problem. And that he said, no, it's a problem down the street. So we'll see if they can get her done. Let's hope so. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.